are going to take a quick look at a Mereen Johnson number 435H gang rip saw. 50-inch capacity, and that is from the edge of your pad. So that is your full width. You do have your anti-kickback fingers, pneumatic pressure rolls. When I walk around to the other side, they'll be a little bit more evident. 75 horsepower motor on that arbor, 1 horsepower on the elevation, 4 horsepower on the feed. It does have an oil mist lube system. This is a very big machine. We're asking maybe 1/20th the cost of what a new one is. This is obviously an older machine, but again, this is cost effective for someone. I'm gonna climb up here real fast. If you climb up, this is your arbor. That arbor is 61 inches long and 2 5/8 inches in diameter. Again, these are your pneumatic pressure rolls or wheels. The controls are on this side. It's just how this machine is set up. You do have variable feed from 20 to 75 feet per minute. Quiet running. That is your max feed speed. Again, this is the rear of the machine. This is your in feed. This is to raise and lower that arbor. It is motorized. As you can see, it is lowering. It's kind of hard to tell. You can see that center shaft there spinning. This machine does use, comes with 24 blades. These are simply 10-inch blades with a 3.5-inch bore. Again, a 10-inch blade, 3.5-inch bore. And you do have 10 collars. That's going to be a 2 5/8 bore on that collar. And there are 10 of those collars. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.